Hi, today I'll show you the way to create neon light effect in Photoshop. After open your photo, pick up Custom Shape tool. Set shape type, no fill, white interlock, 20 pixels. Choose triangle shape. Draw a triangle shape just like this. Ctrl T to rotate and place it by following the body subject. Click the FX icon and choose blending option. Check the color overlay. Set the color #FF039D. Copy this color code. Check to the inner glow, outer glow, and drop shadow effect. Set the values as below, then confirm. Create a new layer. Pick up brush tool, click the arrow icon, change brush size to 400, opacity and flow 100%. Use pen tool, create a path by following the rectangle shape. Right click and select stroke path. Tool, brush, OK. Press escape 2 times to remove the path. Change its blend mode to line dodge. Decrease fill to 40%. Put 2 top layers into a group. In background layer, go to Select, Subject. Photoshop AI will select the subject automatically. Choose Group 1, then click the Layer Mask icon to create a mask. Press Ctrl or Command I to reverse it. Use Brush tool, white in foreground color. Pen to reveal the triangle edge in front of the subject. Decrease opacity to 50%. Zoom closer and paint on her hair with black brush. Create a new layer. Change foreground color to the color of triangle shape. #FF039D. Paint on the areas to line up her hair. Change its blend mode to line dodge. Remove with eraser tool. Click the adjustment icon, select Hue Saturation. Check to colorize. Increase saturation to 100. Open blending option. Hold Alt and drag half of triangle to the right of this layer. Use white brush to bring back the skin's color. Create a new layer, pick up brush tool. Click the wheel icon and select Import brushes. Load this set of brushes. You can download all the stock in the video link below. Open the Smoke Brush folder. Select the first one. Still use the same foreground color. Paint over around the subject. Create a layer mask to it. Use black brush to hide a bit of smoke if it's too much. Take the layer 3 below group 1. Adjust opacity to 50%. Create a new layer. Choose soft brown brush. Change foreground color to the blue to mix with pink color. Change blend mode from normal to soft light. Opacity 60%. Open the Crane Texture folder, JPEG folder, texture number 8. Press Ctrl A to select the whole layer. Ctrl C to copy it. Ctrl W to close it. Paste it with Ctrl V. Ctrl T to increase its size to cover the whole document. Change its blend mode to line dodge. Go to Filter, Blur, Gaussian Blur, 7 radius pixel. OK. Use eraser tool to remove the texture on the subject. Change opacity to 50%. Create a vibrant adjustment layer. Increase vibrant to 46. Add curve adjustment layer. Brighten photo by increasing midtones. This is the before and this is the after. That's all for the tutorial. Hit like and notification bell to notice new tutorial every day. Thanks for watching.